Good morning. Welcome in Hunar India News. Today we have a news from 56 national sports federations are recognized by the Government of India. Government of India deals only with the national level sports federations and grants recognition to them to become eligible to receive financial as well as other forms of assistance. Only 56 NSFs are recognized by the government of different sports discipline. This information was given by Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sports, Kiren Rijiju, in a written reply to the Lok Sabha today. He said that normally elections are held by the NSFs at the intervals prescribed under the bylaws of the concerned NSFs. In order to ensure that NSFs functions in a democratic manner, government has prescribed model election guidelines to be followed by the NSFs for their elections, which has been made an integral part of the National Sports Development Code of India 2011 (NSDCI). He informed that NSDCI, inter alia, contains instruction on democratic and healthy management practices, age and tenure limits of office bearers, holding of elections as per model election guideline devised by the government, etc. The minister also said that from the year 2010, the government has introduced a system of annual recognition procedure for the NSFs, under which annual recognition is granted to those NFS which comply with the provisions of NSDCI, including holding of elections in time. List of recognized national sports federations: All India Chess Federations, All India Football Federations, All India Sports Council of the Deaf, All India Tennis Association, Amateur Baseball Federation of India, Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India, Amateur Soft Tennis Federation of India, Athletic Federation of India, Atte Parte Federation of India, Badminton Association of India, Ball Badminton Federation of India, Basketball Federation of India, Boxing Federation of India, Bridge Federation of India, Cycle Polo Association of India, Cycling Federation of India, Equestrian Federation of India, Fencing Association of India, Federation of Motor Sports Clubs of India, Handball Federation of India, Hockey India, Indian Body Builder Federation, Indian Kayaking and Canoeing Association, Indian Penicillate Federation, Indian Rugby Football Union, Judo Federation of India, Karate Association of India, Kho-Kho Federation of India, Kudo International Federation of India, Malik Kham Federation of India, Netball Federation of India, Paralympic Committee of India, Indian Polo Association, Roll Ball Federation of India, Roller Skating Federation of India, Rowing Federation of India, School Games Federation of India, Sepak Takraw Federation of India, Shooting Ball Federation of India, Softball Association of India, Special Olympic Bharat, Squash Racket Federation of India, Swimming Federation of India, Table Tennis Federation of India, Tennis Quad Federation of India, Tennis Ball Cricket Federation of India, 10-Pin Bowling Federation of India, Billiards and Snooker Federation of India, National Rifle Association of India, Indian Triathlon Federation, Tug of War Federation of India, Volleyball Federation of India, Indian Weightlifting Federation, Wrestling Federation of India, Wushu Association of India, Yachting Association of India. That's all for today. Thank you.